Assalamu alaikum. Class 6 subject Geographia. Topic है the major domains of the earth. Subtopic exercise. Answer the following questions briefly. What are the four major domains of the earth? Answer. Four major domains of the earth are lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere. Question number 2. Name the major continents of the earth. Answer. There are 7 major continents of the earth. These are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia, Antarctica. Question number 3. Name the 2 continents that lie entirely in the southern hemisphere. Answer. Australia and Antarctica lie entirely in the southern hemisphere. Question number D part. Name the different layers of atmosphere. Answer. Different layers of atmosphere are: number 1, troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. E part. Why is the earth called the blue planet? Answer. The earth is called the blue planet because more than 71% of the earth is covered with water. F part. Why is the northern hemisphere called the land hemisphere? Answer. The greater part of the land mass lies in the northern hemisphere, therefore northern hemisphere called the land hemisphere. Part G. Why is the biosphere important for living organisms? Answer. The biosphere is contact between the land, water, and air. It is in this zone that life that is unique to this planet exists. आज का सबक ख़त्म हुआ. इसे आइंदा पढ़ेंगे.